Hi guys and welcome to Coin Homeland. We're heading back to our next weekly forecast for the coming week. So simply we have seen the UK central bank did increase interest rate. The ECB did hold in the interest rate. They're not going to increase interest rate possibly till September 2022. They have to finish the asset purchases program first. So they're kind of doing the reduction now, which is tapering. Once they finish this, possibly by September, they're going to increase rate. So the ECB, no change so far. Then we've got the NFB. The numbers were really positive or good numbers. But on the other hand, we've had some companies like Facebook and some other companies that revenue and the report were really bad. Facebook dropped so much, like minus 25% or something. So it's really bad for the Facebook, okay? What's for coming week is euro dollar is still bullish, very bullish. We can reach 1.1560. It looks so bullish still. I don't think we're gonna reverse from here. So wait for this correction. If you see it start trading back up right here, it may go down to here or a little bit further down here. Then don't join this sell for now. It's just to skip this one. Then the way up, if you see this good move to the upside, we can take this one to the upside, take this buy when the dollar is falling, okay? This week is going to be tricky a little bit, so you just have to be careful because it's not very clear like the previous week. The previous week, we said, okay, we expect euro dollar to go up from here. That was straightforward, it was really nice. Before the NFB, we bought update, we said we expect this to come down as a correction, continue going up. That was really nice. Now, possibly we may continue to the upside. So this is a trick right here. I don't think we may, more likely we're gonna have another wave. It's not gonna finish here. Okay, guys. So just this is update for the analysis. Pound dollar, the same thing. Last week we forecasted this move to the upside. It was really good from here. Okay, we've had this wave, and come the UK news and the NFB. With the NFB, it dropped a little bit. We had life, and this one was really good. From here, I think we're gonna head back up again, guys. Okay, as we expect the dollar, pound dollar most likely is gonna move the same direction. So the next target is going to be around 1.3670, then 1.3720. Okay, that's more likely than actually coming back down here. I think we are more likely to see a wave to the upside and the dollar index dropping next week. Okay, first, there is a possibility we may get down move first, then after this up wave, it's fine. But I don't think we're gonna reach here. I think it's just gonna be a correction and just bouncing back up. So I think the next wave to the upside. USDCAD, possibly what we're gonna see is a down move, as we do expect the dollar index to come down. At the same time, if the stock market start to pick up, then the oil going up also, then we're gonna see the oil price going high. So basically Canadian holding ground. This news kind of, because the NFB were good numbers, but the Canadian were not as good. So basically USDCAD did shoot up with the news, okay? After this, Australian USD, I don't think we should short this anymore. Even if stock market is going to continue bleeding, this possibly may come down to here or there, or worst case scenario coming to here. Then from here, probably what we're going to see is a wave to the upside, okay? So the next wave to take for trading is wait to take a buy. I'm not saying this has to be finished yet. It may drop a little bit more, okay? So just keep in mind this one. So wait to buy. Euro-Australian, we were looking for the stock market to come down, but what happened is the ECB news did take Euro-Australian to the upside with the stock market coming down, so the Australian was weak. So we have seen this rally in the Euro-Australian. I don't think we should take any buy in this one. Wait, if you see the stock market coming down, Euro start to cool off a little bit, Australian getting strong, then we can join the sell from here. Okay, guys? It did shoot up here. Where it did break, as you can see, it did break this resistance level and it did shoot back up because the stock market was really bad. Euro New Zealand, the same scenario. We're waiting for to bounce from here. It did go up just 1.73, the resistance here. I think this is going to be a good sell. Don't take any more buy, because if you take more buy, means the risk off is going to continue and the stock market is going to continue to fall, and then Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones. I don't think this is going to be the case, and if it is, this is not the best time to do that. Euro Canadian, the same scenario, as we have seen the Euro news and the Canadian news. Euro news were very bullish, Canadian news negative, so you can see Euro Canadian did shoot up really bad. So the next wave, I think, is the downside. I think it is going to be a really good trade, guys. Next one is Pound Australian. If you guys do remember, I warned about this move up, and they said just ignore it because you have the Australian news and you have the Pound news, and you said if you get stuck here, this is going to be a bull trap. This was good. It did move up as expected. If it does move up again, just ignore it. Once you start seeing a good signal to the downside, then take this signal, because this is going to be something like this, really fast and sharp and beautiful. Okay, and it's gonna happen fast, guys. Gold still didn't move much, as you can see right here, still in this trend line kind of channel. Okay, it's very important where we're gonna break. Are we gonna break to the downside? As you can see, just up and down in the channel, you know, up and down, up and down. Are we gonna break to the downside, which we're gonna go south from here like this? Okay, or we're going to go to the upside and we're gonna go up from here. What I can see is we're gonna go to the upside. Okay, so I'm gonna be bullish in the gold. So that was just a continuation to buy right here and hold. If it does break below here and just to make 2-3 candles below, or 2% or 3% below, this is just gonna change the idea and is gonna be under much pressure. But so far, I think the gold is going to be bullish. Dow Jones didn't break this level yet, okay, at 35,600 or so, but this is just a correction, guys, okay? Just wait to buy or buy, This is just a correction. I don't think it's gonna come back all the way here. I don't think this scenario is going to happen. What I can see right here is this is just gonna continue from here or from there, but we're gonna continue back to the upside and start making new highs. The news from majority of the companies were really disappointing. Amazon was really good. The revenue from Amazon was beating expectations big time. So you've got some mixed news, but more kind of towards the negative. But I think the effect of this is just going to vanish, and we're going to start on a second bull run right here in the Dow Jones. The same will apply to the other indices. Nasdaq right here, where it looks kind of bearish and coming down. Avoid this sell. Okay, don't take this sell. Even if it's gonna come down here or something, don't take the sell, okay? So don't take this sell. Even if it's gonna come down here, don't join the sell. Wait when it starts to reversing and take the buy. When you see a good buy from here, then take the buy. This first target, second target, and third target right there. Okay, this is going to be a really good buy. Okay, guys. The next one is SPX. Just the same situation, no change right here. So SPX just looks identical because they move very close to each other. You can see right here. So once this is gonna break, if it does break to the downside, don't short it, okay? If it does break here, just avoid. But if you see going back up right here, I think we're gonna have a very good buy from here, okay? Back to 4,700. It's gonna have to go back sooner or later, just a matter of time. Okay. The last one here is BTC. We've said in the analysis BTC is very bullish. You can see a very strong move right here. Okay, in the very last 4 hours in the market or something, then just hold on right there. So basically it went to test this level. You can see this level right there here. See this? Because it was a previous support, now it's a resistance. So I think we're gonna break and we're gonna go above it. I think we're gonna go back here between 45 to 46,500. Then after that we have this level, which is like 50,051. Okay, guys, that was the weekly analysis. You guys coming from Coin Homeland, you guys are most welcome to visit the site, keep updating the prices and stuff, and more services are coming on the website soon. Okay, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day.